Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve for the value of m given this nice square root radical problem, which is 8 to the power m, which is equal to the square root of 16 times square root of 8. So what is the value of m? Now solution, we have 8 to the power m. This is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 8. Now, the first thing here, we can express 16 as 2 to the power 4. And we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this approach or this problem can be solved by applying two methods. So let's solve this by applying method 1. So here we have 8 to the power m. This is equal to, now this is the square root of 16, which is 2 to the power 4, multiplied by square root of 8, which is 2 to the power 3. The same case here, we can express this as 2 to the power 3 raised to the power m, which is equal to square root of 2 to the power 4, okay, multiplied by square root of 2 to the power 3. Now, given that a to the power n raised to the power m, this can be expressed as a to the power n times m. So applying this exponent property, then this is 2 to the power 3 times m, which is 3m. Now this is equal to, now we have square root of 2 to the power 4. We can express square root of 2 to the power 3 as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by a half. So if you have the square root of a, this is the same thing as a raised to the power a half. So you're applying this property. So that now here we have 2 to the power 3m. This is equal to, now here we'll have 2 to the power 4 times a half times 2 to the power, now here we have 3 over 2, okay, times a half. This is for the second bracket here. So that now we have 2 to the power 3m. This is equal to, now we simplify here, this is 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power, this is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. But since the bases are common here, remember this is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can transform as 8 to the power n plus m. So here we have 2 to the power 3m. This is equal to 2 to the power 2 plus 3 over 4. So here we have 2 to the power m, 3m. Now this is equal to 2 to the power, now the LCM here is equal to 4. So 4 divided by 1 times 2, this is 8 plus 3. And this is equal to 11 over 4. So we have 2 to the power 3m. This is equal to 2 to the power 11 over 4. But since the bases are common here, that is 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m. Since the bases are common, the exponent n is equal to m. So this implies that 3m is equal to 11 over 4. So let's multiply both sides by 1 over 3, so that now here the value of m is equal to 11 over 12. So this is the value of m by applying method 1. So let me take you through method 2 of how to solve this problem. Now, applying method 2 here, we'll have that 8 to the power m. This is equal to the square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 8. So this method 2 is just we square both sides. Let's square both sides. So that here we'll have 8 to the power m raised to the power 2. Now this is equal to, we eliminate the first square root sign so that we'll have 16 multiplied by square root of 8. Okay, Now, given that 8 power n raised to power m, this can also be expressed as 8 power n multiplied by m. So this implies here we have 8 to power m times 2, which is 2m, and this is equal to 16 multiplied by square root of 8. So the second step here again is we square both signs again, so that now here we'll have 8 to power 2m times 2, this is 4m, and this is equal to 16 raised to power 2 times, now we eliminate the second square root sign, so times 8. Now the next step here, we can express 8 as 2 to power 3, and we can express 16 as 2 to power 4. So let's substitute this. So here we have 2 to power 3 raised to power 4m. This is equal to 2 to power 4 squared multiplied by 2 to power 3 for this 8. So that now here we have that applying this property that a raised to power n raised to power m will transform into this, so that here we'll have 2 to power 3 times 4, this is 12m. Then this is equal to 2 to power 4 times 2, here is 8 times 2 to power 3. But now 2 to power 8 times 2 to power 3, this is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can transform as a raised to power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to power 12m. This is equal to 2 to power 8 plus 3. So here we have 2 to power 12m. This is equal to 2 raised to power 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Now, we have that the bases here are common. That is 8 to power n. This is equal to 8 to power m. And since the bases are common here, the exponent n is equal to m. So applying this property, then here we'll have 12m. This is equal to 11. So let's divide both signs by 12 and also here by 12. So that now the value of m is equal to, 11 over 2, applying method 1 and 2. So let's verify. Now, if you recall here, we have that 8 to power m, this is equal to square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 8. Let's substitute the value of m so that we'll have 8 to power m is 11 over 12. This should be equal to square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 8. So here we can express 16 as 2 to power 4, and we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. Okay? So here you have 2 to power 3 raised to power 11 over 12. This is equal to, now here we have the square root of, this is 2 to power 4, then square root of 2 to power 3. Now here we have 2 to power 3 raised to power 11 over 12. This is equal to, now we can express this as 2 to power 4 multiplied by, now square root of a, as we said, is the same thing as a to power a half. So multiplied by a half, 2 to power 4 times a half, then multiplied by 2 to power, this is 3 multiplied by a half, then raised to power a half. So this here is 2 to power 3 raised to power 11 over 12. This is equal to, now we simplify here, we have 2 to power 2 times, now we have 2 to power, this is the same thing as 3 over 2 raised to power a half. Now given that 8 to power n raised to power m, this is the same thing as 8 to power n times m. So applying this exponent property, we have 2 to power, this is 3 times 11 over 12, which is the same thing as 33 over 12. Okay, which we can just, is the same thing as here by 3, this is 11, by 3, this is 4. So this is equal to 2 to power 2, okay, times, or rather times 2 to power 3 over 4. So here we have 2 to power 11 over 4. This is equal to, now this is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which you can express as 8 to power n plus m. So 2 to power 11 over 4, this is equal to 2 to power 2 plus 3 over 4. So here we have that the LCM here is 4. So 4 divided by 1, it is 4 times 2, this is 8, plus here we have 3, and therefore 2 to power 11 over 4, this is equal to 2 to power 8 plus 3, which is 11, divided by 4. So clearly you can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of m, which is equal to 11 over 12, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.